Okay, so during that floor, something weird happened. Like, as you can see from my tags, there was like no, it wasn't. It wasn't. No. It was like a cart rolling onto the floor, but it's like those squeaky ones. No. No, 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 no. I'm scared, bro. No, 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 no. No. It was... No, it's not. No, it's not. It's not. It's not. It's not even the same. Even similar. Know how, like, those trolleys, or like cart makes, you know how like a cart makes like wheels on the cart. I swear to God, I'm not crazy. 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 I heard it. I even got it on camera. I swear, if it didn't, oh my God, I'm too scared. I'm scared, bro. I'm scared. I'm scared. No. I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm scared. No. 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 No, no. Oh my God, bro, no. I know I'm not crazy. 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 I know, I heard it. I heard it. It was there last floor. Not last floor, 2 floors ago. I'm not crazy. I know that. I'm